Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's VECHAIN update. And if you guys are not on Discord, please join me on the Discord. This is where I'm actually giving some updates about some different coins. Now, talking about the daily time frame, I actually want to say and give a comment that Bitcoin, watch today's update. Go and watch today's update for the Bitcoin, because when you're trading VECHAIN, you must watch Bitcoin as well. If you don't watch that, then you're going to be clueless about your coins as well, and that means that you don't care about your investments. So Bitcoin, to me, to summarize, it seems like it can fall to $40,000. Okay, and what I see for VECHAIN as well is that you came all the way down just like that, and now you're making a very big bear flag right there. And from here, when you move all the way to the downside, maybe potentially go to that area, which is going to be the 0.036. And that's a very, very, very big fall, considering the fact that you're on 0.09 right now. So that's really, really dangerous. And remember, our closing was exactly when we actually met this technical target back in the days when I told you. Now, that if we go down to complete this wick, which is going to be 0.045, then potentially you can go all the way down to 0.037, and that could be a fourth wave until you don't pick up for the fifth wave to go even to nearly the dollar region area in 2022. Now, on the short-term frame, of course, we're looking very, very, very bad, and we could go all the way down. Now, this though is looking like this on the weekly. But let's say you don't really play that very, very big, some sort of a bear flag right there, and you make the fact that on the daily you're having this mini bear flag like this, and then from here to here, and then from there to there, you're making that bear flag from here, and then you take the top to the bottom right there, and this is how much it's gonna drop and take you all the way down to nearly 0.06195555, because to me it also doesn't make sense to go all the way down, but it could actually, just go all the way down and fill this wick. It would even make sense to do that. But at the moment, let's say it's safe to say if you were ever gonna drop, you're gonna make a drop like nearly 27%, 26% drop, and that's the new year for you guys. Okay, Bitcoin is gonna do a lot of drama. Just watch that video for Bitcoin, and remember, by the end of the day, there's no any financial advice, so be very careful. I'm still very, very worried about VECHAIN as well, and VECHAIN was looking good on its own. To be honest, if you talk about VECHAIN, it makes sense that you came down here, find support, and you could have moved to that 15 cents, 16 cents region. I was looking for that. You were looking for that. Many people were looking for that. And by the way, if you start to lose this level, you could even come up just to the 77 and then continue to fall even way more down to that place, and then continue to the upside if and only if this bigger bear flag can actually play out. Okay, so but that's the future. We're gonna see if it actually ever goes all the way down to this place. If it's interested to do that, we're gonna know about that, but we cannot say anything at the moment. But if it was to fall 62, but my own comment about this is, if you want to buy back, when we are gonna buy back is based on two things. Okay, listen to this one very carefully. Is when Bitcoin actually goes to 48,500, okay, and holds that level like a boss, then it means that the downward pressure is getting cancelled. At the moment, I haven't seen Bitcoin doing anything like that. The second thing for this one is that when VECHAIN itself also breaks out of this bear pennant like that, let's say go back probably and cross this level for the 10 cents, back test it, and then from here you're actually making an uptrend, and this downfall view will get cancelled, because the more power right now that I see is the downside more than the upside. We don't have any upward favor. We don't have any upward structure at the moment. It is a more downward structure, like 70, 80%. I'm going to say it's looking to go down right now more than going up. Anything can happen, of course. This is crypto, man. Anything can flip bullish all of a sudden, and because sometimes it does get unpredictable things. But the thing is, following the charts, and based on the charts, not my own opinion, go to tradingview.com, open up this one, draw along with me, learn along, and then you're going to understand that charts actually never really lie. Now, even let's say that you didn't go down here, and then you went up. Okay, it doesn't mean that trading doesn't work. Trading works because you're going up and canceling the down view. So basically the charts are telling you that I'm not interested to go down, I'm interested to go up. So the charts is still giving you that message, and it still works. Trading still works, and technical analysis still work. And when it goes up like this, back tested, and you flip bullish, you make an uptrend, you cancel the downtrend, you can enter and you can earn money. That's just simple, easy peasy, and then you win. Okay, so that's it for today's VECHAIN update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.